Hi everyone, welcome to our show, Edge Computing in Action. I'm Ashley. As AI is transforming industries in incredible ways, one area that's evolving rapidly is AI vision, which plays a key role in manufacturing, transportation, and even robotics. AI vision is helping machines see and interact with the world like never before. But do you know what exactly AI vision is and how this is shaping the future of industry? Today we have Neil from Advantech, the head of Computer Vision Division, here to share his insights. Let's get started. Hi, Neil.
Hi, everyone.
Great to have you here. To start, can you introduce yourself and tell us what Advantech's AI Vision is working on?
Sure. So, hi, everyone. This is Neil, Product Division Head of Machine Vision. Advantech Machine Vision AI serves the manufacturing, transportation, power energy sector by offering the comprehensive image sensing, computing, streaming, and the graphics function, as well as the enabling software that accelerate our time to market for the machine vision industry.
We often hear AI in terms of data processing or voice recognition, but seldom hear about AI vision. Can you tell us what exactly AI vision is?
Absolutely. So the generic or the general AI is kind of different data. For example, the voice, speech, or image and video, or even the data. So these are the typical elements of the vision. And for the vision AI or the machine vision is dedicated for the imaging and video function. That's from the source point of view. And from the technology point of view, the vision AI or the computer vision is dedicated for some object detection, image processing, image inspection applications.
So AI vision is helping machine to see, right? And what industries are benefiting from AI vision most?
Okay, so according to the report and the market insight, there are several industries that will be benefit or impact by the AI. The first of all is the manufacturing. So we can foresee that kind of object detection or inspection function, some kind of AI function in the manufacturing. That definitely will be impact or powerful by AI. And the other one application is about the medical and the transportation. For example, we can foresee that the MRI or X-ray inspection for the medical is increasing, and as well as the people counting, vehicle counting for the smart city application in transportation. These are the future application will be impact or be powered by the vision AI.
Wow, it sounds like a lot of applications and industries are benefiting from AI vision. Can you give us some examples of how AI vision helped industries to be better than before? Can you describe the process or the technologies how AI vision help?
Sure, that's a good question. So from the component point of view, the computer vision or vision AI is made from the sensor computing and for the graphics. So there are different kinds of application. For example, that one is from the computer vision in the past. That is more dedicated for a single or specific object and is more like a pixel base. And real image data, that's the generic or the traditional AI. And with the new technology and advanced AI technology, now we can not only focus on the physical, but also the virtual or the synthetic data from the AI. And the other one is that besides the computing, right now the AI is more capable for the analytics function and from single to multiple objects. That's the industrial and machine vision AI applications.
And we know that you are the head of Computer Vision Division, right? So can you tell us that how does AI vision differ from computer vision? What's the difference?
Okay, that's a good question. So when we mentioned about the data, the image is the source. So just like I mentioned, that's the conventional machine vision is dedicated for computing and pixel analysis. And with the new technology, right now the data could be from the physical image and video, or it's from the synthetic virtual data. That's a combination of the virtual to reality. That's one of the difference. And the other one is the algorithm. With the new algorithm, we can see that the VLM or the multi-language or a multiple object with the advanced algorithm. Right now, the AI is capable to take care and deal with the multiple fusion and multiple data from the imaging.
As you mentioned, AI vision is getting more and more important right now for the industries. And we see that more and more companies are developing AI vision. But are there any challenges? Can you share with us your perspective?
Sure. I think that for AI application, there are always two categories. One is from the cloud, and the other one is at the edge. So we will more focus on the edge because that's the nature of the main focus from Advantech point of view. On the edge side, there will be always challenge from the computing power plus the power consumption and dimension. So always we want to have the limited computing power with the specific dimension and footprint. That's one of the challenges. Not compared with the cloud, there are huge data centers in the cloud. On the edge side, the physical dimension and the power consumption is always the concern. That's one of the challenges. And the other one is about the software algorithm. So the generic algorithm is dedicated and it focuses on different kind of objects. However, from the edge side, because the limited computing power, so we need more specific and more efficient software algorithm for the machine vision.
Okay, so how does Advantech collaborate with your customers to overcome these challenges?
Sure. So with the transition from the computer vision to AI vision, we always need to think about the three perspectives. One is from the software point of view. So compared with the traditional computing platform, with the new AI technology, right now they are diversified of processor architecture and the software stack. So from software point of view, Advantech, we need to enable this versatile software architecture, software framework, as well as the hardware processor. That's one of the direction. The second one is the hardware point of view. So the vision AI is comprised with the image sensing, streaming, computing, and graphics. We need the full video stack to fulfill the demand of the full vision system. That's the second perspective. Last one is about the partner, because when we goes to the new era of the vision AI, we need the partner, especially for the software partner and solution partner. We need the software partner and the SI partner to landing this AI solution in the field. That's from the AI point of view.
We are also curious about that. Why has Advantech made AI vision a key role, a key focus? Why? And what's your role in this field?
Okay, so because we know that, as we mentioned, there are several kinds of AI applications. So the vision is dedicated for one of the important topics for Advantech is the time deterministic and computing power. We need a good connection, not only from the computing side, but also from the vision point of view. That's the strength, and that's the point that Advantech would like to address, the vision AI functions. And this is one of the topics.
And as we see, AI vision is playing an important role in the future and also right now. So what's next? And what other applications do you foresee in the future?
Okay, so we can foresee that there are definitely lots kind of AI function and AI application in the market. And we can see that one significant trend is the combination of the virtual and the physical. That means that we can foresee that in the future, they are not only from the real image and real data, but some of the data, some of the image can be virtual or can be synthetic. That means we can accelerate the time to market and the AI model generation from not only the existing data, but also from the synthetic data. That gives us a big leap to migrate, to move into the vision AI.
Wow, sounds really cool. Do you know where to see these future AI vision applications?
Sure. So in Advantech, we set up the several demo sets in Computex. So please visit the Computex. You will see several demo sets. The first one is from the enterprise point of view. We set up with the software application aligned with the NVIDIA Omniverse. We can have the integration from virtual to reality. The second one is from the factory point of view. We have a solution, application solution that for the industrial vision AI that's based on the VLM function to detect the risk and avoid the risk and increase the safety function when we co-work with the robot. And the third one, the last one, is about the application in the production line. That means we can have the enhanced AI AOI functions in the factory production line to increase the quality assurance and increase the productivity in production line. That's several demo sets in the Computex.
Thank you, Neil, for sharing with us how AI vision is transforming industries and what's next in the future. We're really looking forward to it. If you want to learn more, please stay tuned to our channel. Don't forget to follow us. See you next time. Bye.
See you next time.